The ancient Egyptians used an interesting way to multiply two numbers. The algorithm draws on the binary system, which is multiplication by 2. They used addition to get the answer to a multiplication problem. This method is still used in many rural communities in Ethiopia, Russia, the Arab world, and the Near East. The term that we use with Egyptian multiplication is called doubling. You take one number and either multiply it by 2 or you add it to itself. So this is done repeatedly until you get the other number. For example, let's multiply 57 times 31. So we have here two columns, the left and right, first and second. Then we write our problem horizontally and consider 57 as our first column and 31 as our second column. Underneath the first column, we write the number 1. Underneath the second column, the number 31 as in 1 times 31. Then we double the number 1, which becomes 2. And also double the number 31, which becomes 62 or 2 times 31. We continue doubling both columns the same way until we reach but not exceed the number at the top of the first column. In our case, the number at the top of our column is 57, so we may stop at the number 32. If we double once more, we will reach 64, which is too high. The next step is quite interesting. We must find a group or combination of numbers in the first column that add up to 57. So the numbers that add up to 57 in the first column are 32, 64,